Welcome to the Spellbinders February 2026 All Clubs Crate bonus item, which is a die called Season of Faith. This bonus item is included in the All Clubs Crate, which is a subscription for every Spellbinders Club of the month. This month's bonus item creates a sweet church. Here you can see all the various dies that are included in this month's bonus item. To assemble the church, cut the outline and inner die cut spaces together out of white cardstock. Then cut the outline out of Spellbinders beeswax cardstock. Use liquid adhesive to adhere the white piece to the yellow piece, making sure the edges all line up. Die cut the door out of cinnamon cardstock and adhere it to the space on the church that shows the embossed lines of the door. Add adhesive to the church's steeple. Cut a top of the steeple out of Spellbinders fawn cardstock and adhere it down to the church. Next, place liquid adhesive on the roof and adhere the roof die cut out of fawn cardstock on top. The cross for the top of the steeple has a small shape at the bottom, which makes it easy to add adhesive and then line it up behind the top of the steeple. You can add the greenery to the side and front of the church. That is how easy it is to assemble this die. Cut a piece of vellum out with one of the essential arches dies. Add foam squares behind the church and adhere it to the vellum arch. Adhere the Easter blessing sentiment from this month's Clear Stamp and Die Club at the top of the vellum arch. Flip the vellum over and add liquid adhesive to the back, being sure to hide it behind the die-cut church and sentiment. Place the vellum arch on top of a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of sea glass cardstock matted on an A2 piece of white cardstock and adhered to a card base. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!